Everyone is talking about JellyThin right now. And I get it, the ads are everywhere. But before you spend your money, you deserve an honest answer. Does this thing actually work? I spent 30 days testing it, reading the science, and comparing it to the DIY gelatin trick. Here is everything I found. No hype, no sugarcoating. So first, what exactly is JellyThin? It is a daily gummy supplement that combines two main ingredients, apple cider vinegar, ACV, and BHB ketone salts. The idea is to give your body the metabolic benefits of ACV and ketones in a convenient gummy form, without having to mix anything, measure anything, or drink raw vinegar. The gummy format is actually a big deal for people over 50 who do not want to swallow capsules every day. Each serving is one gummy, taken once a day. That is it. Now let me talk about what the science actually says about these ingredients, because this is where I want to be real with you. Apple cider vinegar has real research behind it. Studies show it can help reduce blood sugar spikes after meals, support digestion, and create a mild feeling of fullness. It is not magic, but it is not snake oil either. The effect is modest and consistent. BHB ketone salts are a different story. They are designed to put your body into a mild ketosis-like state, where it starts preferring fat for fuel. The research is promising but still mixed. Some people respond well, others do not notice much. The honest bottom line: if you are already eating reasonably and want something that helps with appetite and blood sugar between meals, these ingredients have a real mechanism. If you expect to lose 30 pounds by eating pizza every day and taking one gummy, that is not what this is. Okay, here is what I actually noticed over 30 days. I kept everything else the same eating habits, same activity level, and just added one JellyThin gummy in the morning. Week 1 and 2, honestly, not much. I was skeptical. The gummy tastes good, apple flavor, not too sweet. No side effects. Week 3, I started noticing I was less hungry between breakfast and lunch. Not dramatically, but I was reaching for snacks less. That matched exactly what the ACV satiety research predicts. Week 4, I had lost 4 pounds. But, and this is important, I also started being slightly more intentional about what I ate because I was thinking about it more. So I cannot say 100% that was the gummy alone. What I can say is that the habit helped. So who should actually try JellyThin? In my opinion, it is a good fit if you want a simple daily habit to support appetite control. You do not like swallowing capsules, you want the ACV benefits without drinking vinegar, and you are patient. This is not a crash diet, it is a daily support tool. Who should skip it? If you are looking for a product that does all the work while you change nothing, this will disappoint you. No supplement replaces a decent diet. Also, always check with your doctor if you are on medication, especially blood thinners or diabetes meds, since ACV can interact. Here is what I like most about JellyThin: it comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee. That means 2 full months to try it, and if it does not work for you, you get your money back. That is a zero-risk way to test it for yourself. Link is in the description below. I use an affiliate link, which means I earn a small commission if you buy, at no extra cost to you. That is how I keep making these honest videos for free. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe. I post real health content every week, no hype, just what actually works. See you in the next one.